It's a 2015 Toyota Camry. Bold, reliable, efficient. If these are adjectives you'd use to describe yourself, then this Camry is the perfect fit for you. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Of the Camry, Edmunds.com highlights the comfortable and spacious interior with above average rear seat space, good visibility, and user-friendly interior controls. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Whether you're shopping for a new or top quality pre-owned vehicle, choose Hudson Toyota in Jersey City, New Jersey.